tell you that Baba also left us in Arsenal. Sisi kama watu wa Man U hatujui hiyo. Nyinyi mkae tu Arsenal, lakini sisi ni watu wa Man U. Si ndio? Si ndio? Lakini tuko katika broadbased. Na nyinyi kama vijana wenzangu, I want to tell you that it is up to us to protect, defend, and talk on behalf of our party, the ODM party. And the party leadership led by Dr. Oburu Oginga and our chair Gladys Nyawangaya. Sindio? Na hapa mumesema ya kwamba you're protecting the party. Sindio? Kwa hivyo nataka kuambia nyinyi kama watu wa Kisumu, because if you remember very well, every time Baba wanted to make a declaration about something, he would start from here in Kisumu. So it is up to you as the border of Kisumu, as the leadership, as members of ODM, to protect the party. The second thing I want to say, and I will finish with this. I saw my sister, our chair, Nyawangaya, yesterday make a statement that really made a lot of us women feel bad. Because as the women leaders in politics, as the women leaders that Baba taught and was our role model, the respect that he gave us, we do not expect our senior leaders like Governor Orengo to talk about sexual things when it comes to politics. And I want, as a young woman leader, to condemn that. Because just as our male colleagues, we deserve to be respected. Just as our male colleagues, we deserve to argue and to talk about things based on objectivity, not subjectivity. And that subjectivity that was done, we condemn with the strongest words. The final thing, as the people of Kisumu and Boda, you have talked about the fact that nominations mulichezwa, sindio? But I want to assure you, you have two very strong women in the Central Management Committee of the party. Our chair, Gladys Wanga, and Rosa Buyu. And I know those two sisters of mine will make sure that the requests and the prayers that you have will be adhered to come 2027. Kwa hivyo muendelee kushikilia chama, muendelee kusupport our leaders, muendelee kuhakikisha ya kwamba wale ambao wanajaribu kutuambia ati sisi kama watu wa ODM tushikane na tribalists kama kina Gachagua, waambie washindwe. Wafanye nini? Wafanye nini? Sisi tunabaki kwa broadbased, na round hii either we will make government or we will be part of government. God bless you, watu wa Kisumu.